Good morning. We are on day 3 in Destin. There's the water back there. It rained kind of all day yesterday, and I'm still kind of healing from my gallbladder surgery, so we just kind of took it easy. We didn't do much. We just ate, hung around the house, and enjoyed the view. Today it is gorgeous. The water is blue and shimmering and shining. Let me show you. Yes. Look at how beautiful it is today. So yes. Can't really see through the trees, but we're gonna walk down that little side street over there and go down to the beach. But look how beautiful. I love it. So all right, let's go enjoy day 3.
Want to walk down here? Come on. It's easier if you stay over here on this side. Turn up.
Alright now, you can't swim, sis. Say what's up? What's up to the blizzard?
Birds flying along the water. What is that? I don't know, but I guess we better put it back in the ocean, huh? What is that? Oh, I didn't know you wanted to keep it. There it is. Get it, get it, get it. What do you want? Ain't you sleepy? I'm tired, sis. Don't fall. You not sleepy? You go night-night? That dang Passy. Say hi.
Hi.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you. For what? Gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love it.
I like the colors like that, but
Yeah.
Justice, health, and wellness.
Saying goodbye to this gorgeous view. Got everything all cleaned up and ready to go. And we don't want to leave. We want to stay, but I have to go to the doctor. So goodbye, Destin. It's been fantastic. Look at this lot over here. We keep thinking it's snow. I want to buy this lot.